Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for this video I wanted to show you guys our Challenger Halo kits. These are addressable UCS2904 12 volt LEDs with a super high output to them and a true white color for your DRLs. We do have two variants for these. These are for the 2015 to 2023 Dodge Challenger. We do have an exposed LED style here. And this could be placed behind the clear diffuser rod if you wanted to, or you could pull it out and just have the exposed LED look. Or we do have the diffused version, which has a very nice white diffusion over top. And you would just remove those acrylic diffusers and place these instead. Running them, we are using our basic controller here, which will be one of the options on the site, but these will work with anything that is RGBW compatible, like the SP105E, the SP110, the BlueGhozt, or our controller. Our controller does add the startup animation along with the DRL function itself. In addition, they do have the sequential turn signals, so that is a nice touch. You do have the option on these halos, as with most of our halos, to actually have an output. So you could go from one halo to another halo if you're good with soldering iron. This is a great way to really make your build stand out a little bit more from the average person. It is 3M tape backed, so you can easily secure them in place, but we do recommend using something like fishing line to make sure that you have a strong bond to the headlight itself. In addition to that, you do have the show modes like that, and those will, really make it pop, make it stand out a little bit. So obviously full color flow, addressable, NeoPixel, whatever you want to call them. But RGB animations is what you're getting with this. And they are an RGBW, as we said, and they are very bright. I had that turned down a little bit for the camera. Very bright, so they will be currently the brightest options on the market for the Challenger Halo kits, with the addressable LEDs, obviously. They are available for purchase on the website, nextlevelneo.com, and thanks for watching.